Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. This is the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Another day, checking out the market. Not a great deal going on out there. It's still pretty slow, still pretty quiet, and it may remain that way for quite some time yet. I mean, we are down a little bit today, and to be honest with you, we've just started to tick down. We've just broken to a relatively new, or absolutely, literally just broken down the 4 hour to a new lower low there. We are starting to see some bearishness come in. We are below 6,000 now on Bitcoin, and that is quite significant right now. We'll see how we go throughout this session. We have seen some Friday sessions be some big moves, so it'll be quite interesting to see exactly how it plays out right now. Am I looking for short trades on Bitcoin? Not as yet. I need to see this low push in a little bit more. I want to see a bit more momentum come in. The selling has been relatively straightforward. It's been not massive, but it's been quick. If I have a quick look at the 1 hour, I can tell you the last 2 hours is where the selling's come from, and it does appear to have a little bit of momentum there. We've just gone through 6,000, and we'll see how we play out leading into the rest of the session. Onto Ethereum as well. I mean, it's sitting there consolidating very nicely. I'm just trying to see if there's any trading opportunities, and I just can't see anything just yet. It's sideways to flat, but there's no significant level there for me. Bitcoin Cash definitely leading the way down 5.58% and driving lower. Look, if I'm honest with you, Bitcoin Cash does look as though it's just going to continue to move to the downside if this market does, because it is weak. It's been weak for a long time, and it continues to look weak. So does EOS, to be fair. EOS was down 5.5% as well, heading down towards that $6.50 mark. We've got $1 to go, but it is looking very, very bearish. The whole top 10, a sea of red right now. Cardano also the same. No opportunities for trading just yet. It's just holding, but it does definitely look bearish. Same again for Lumen, same again for Neo. Neo only down 3.2%, but a lot of that selling's come in over the last couple of hours. IOTA looking the same. Ripple not down so much, down 3.81%. I actually wish Ripple would fall a little bit harder, since I'm short Ripple against Bitcoin. But we'll have to wait and see, and Litecoin also hanging out down there. So what does it mean leading into the weekend? It just means that we may actually have some ideas, some good opportunities to trade. When we have direction, we can trade. When we have direction, we can find trades, and we can place trades, and we can make money if those trades work out. Problem that we've got when the market goes sideways is that there is absolutely no direction. And if we are in a directionless market, then it's in a market that is not tradable for me. I need to have optimal chart structure. I need to have clean, smooth, flowing, trending charts. It needs to be very, very high probability for success. And if you're trading and you don't know your probabilities, if you don't know what you're doing, and you don't have a written set of rules, then you're really barking at the wrong tree. You're probably going to have some real struggles going forward, because trading is something where you do need to be consistent. Now, if you want consistent returns, you've got to have consistent approach. You can't expect to do something different every day or every couple of months and have a consistent result. It doesn't. Well, the consistency that you may have may be to be very inconsistent or consistently losing money. We don't want that for you. So what I say to everybody is, look, if you can't write down your rules, then you probably shouldn't be trading. Okay, if you can't write down your rules, i.e. if you don't know what those rules are and you can't actually literally write them down, you're going to have trouble. So it's probably best that you spend a bit more time learning, being educated before you actually go into that, guys. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be a relatively short show today because there's not a great deal to talk about. I mean, as far as news goes, there's no real major news that's come out overnight. I just had a quick look through to see if there's anything at all that would sort of cause this sell-off, other than the fact that we are just at a downtrend. I mean, let's not get it wrong. I have heard of people saying that there's been 47,500 or 48,000 Bitcoins moving around, which that's fine. People can do what they like with their Bitcoins. Maybe they are getting ready to sell them. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. The fact of the matter is that we are in a downtrend. We are looking bearish, and there will be opportunities, I am sure, if we continue to move to the downside. So guys, I'll leave you to it. I'm about to go into my top 100 scan for my my live trading floor members. Maybe I'll find some trades in that scan. If you want to find out more, guys, jump across to tradercobb.com. Have a great day. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. Check out tradercobb.com because experience matters.